Sit-ups versus crunches. Which is best for weight loss? Hey fitness enthusiasts, your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to weight loss, choosing the right exercises can make a big difference. Sit-ups and crunches are popular choices for core workouts. But which one is better for shedding those extra pounds? Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Sit-ups are a full-range exercise that engages your entire core, hip flexors, and even parts of your lower back. Because sit-ups involve a larger range of motion and engage multiple muscle groups, they tend to burn more calories than crunches. This increased calorie burn can contribute to weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and overall fitness routine. Crunches, on the other hand, focus specifically on the abdominal muscles. While crunches are excellent for building and defining your abs, they involve less movement and engage fewer muscles compared to sit-ups. As a result, crunches typically burn fewer calories. For effective weight loss, incorporating sit-ups into your routine might offer a slight advantage due to their higher calorie burn. However, a well-rounded fitness program that includes a variety of exercises, cardiovascular activity, and strength training is essential for optimal weight loss results. Both sit-ups and crunches can play valuable roles in strengthening and toning your core. As part of this comprehensive approach,